Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting Tile Mart University episode. I'm Julee Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Today, we're diving into the world of pool decking and coping. Focusing on how to select the best materials that complement our three gorgeous pool line tiles, the Fujiwa Omega series, the Kawa series, and the Tokyo 600 series. I paired them with three decking and coping collections from Tile Mart that I know you're going to love. Our Lincoln Pavers, Saltillo Regular, and Beton series. Firstly, it's crucial to choose pool decking and coping materials that are durable, non-slip, and resistant to water and chlorine exposure. These features ensure safety, longevity, and ease of maintenance, which are all key for any poolside environment. For the Fujiwa Omega series, which offers 4 vibrant colors and a contemporary design with high durability, pairing it with the Beton series is a perfect match. These 24 by 24 porcelain pavers and coordinating 13 by 24 coping tiles come in 3 neutral colors. They're modern, durable, and I love their sleek finish, which complements the Omega Pool Line collection beautifully. This aesthetic provides a slip-resistant surface that's ideal for pool decking, pool edges, and wet areas. Moving on to the Kawa series, with its ripple-like textures and vibrant pool line colors, it pairs nicely with their Saltillo regular tiles for decking and coping. These tiles bring a stunning, warm, earthy tone to the poolside, harmonizing with the Kawa series look. I love the variety of shapes and sizes this collection offers, making it a designer's dream to create different patterns and really personalize your pool decking and coping. Since Saltillo tiles are made from natural clay that's fired to harden, they're eco-friendly, durable, and charming. Their porous nature also means that they're less slippery when wet, an important safety feature for pool decks. Lastly, for the Tokyo series with its modern and bold design, the Lincoln Pavers, similar to the Saltillo regular series, offers a deep, rich terracotta color. This series offers a variety of shapes and sizes with coping pieces, so you really have many design options. This collection really complements the Tokyo's stunning weave pattern. The Lincoln Pavers series is also extremely durable, making it a great choice for high traffic areas, pool decks, and pool coping. Each pairing was selected for you to enhance the beauty of your pool and outdoor living space, ensuring that it's as beautiful as it is safe and durable. Whether you're updating an existing pool or installing a new one, choosing the right materials for your decking and coping can dramatically affect the look and the longevity of your outdoor space. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more insights on choosing the right products for your home projects. Don't hesitate to reach out with your design and build questions at ask@tilemart.com. We're here to help. See you next time.